In this example, we are asked to use the table to answer a couple of questions. The first question is to complete the table. So we have to look at the pattern in column A and the pattern in column B. In column A, we're going from 1 to 2 to 3. So each time, that's an increase of 1, where we are adding 1. So we just want to continue with that increase. So 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. In column B, our increase isn't quite that simple. We want to subtract. So, we want to subtract to find the difference. So 2 is my larger number, and I'm going to subtract a negative 3. The subtraction becomes a plus, and I get 5. So I know that the difference here is 5. Now, are we adding 5 or subtracting 5? If we go from negative 3 to a positive 2, we're definitely getting bigger. So that means that was an increase, or we are adding 5. And then from 2 to 7, again, that's an increase of 5. So we want to continue that. 7 plus 5 will be 12. 12 plus 5 will be 17. 17 plus 5 will be 22. And 22 plus 5 will be 27. So now we've completed the table. Now we want to look at what is the pattern in column B. Well, we had to find that pattern each time we added 5, or there was an increase of 5. Question C is asking for the values of a domain. Domain is our input. So we want to look at column A, which is our input. Input is usually your first column unless it's ever labeled otherwise. So we want to list these values starting with our smallest and increasing. We always list them from least to greatest. So we want to start with 1 and just list them all the way through to 7. And we enclose it with these braces because this is a set of numbers. For question D, we are looking at the values of the range, which is our output, which is going to be column B. And again, we want to list them from our smallest to our biggest. So our smallest would be the negative 3, and we just increase from there. So 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, and 27.